Friends, do you often struggle to use the right kind of English phrases during office meetings? Do you wonder what kind of English sentences, words to use to improve your business communication during team meetings? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the key essential ingredients in terms of business communication, key English phrases which you can use during official meetings, during team meetings, during business meetings. Welcome to my channel, friends. In this video, I'm going to tell you about key business English phrases to use to improve your communicative English and to be a confident English speaker. Let's start the video. Effective. You can use the word in various ways, but here are some examples. His support during the team meeting was highly effective. Her support and timely inputs during the project was highly effective. Execution. The team leader's execution was flawless. We all should learn from the team leader's execution. It was really flawless. Delivery. It's an overused word in business communication, and you should know how to use it clearly and correctly. Here are some examples. We all should ensure timely delivery of this project for our client. The logistics team should ensure timely delivery of the consignment to the consumer. Coordination, one of the most overused words in business communication. We all should work in coordination with each other and with other departments for the timely delivery of this project or campaign. Your coordination with the logistics and finance department is crucial for the timely delivery of this campaign. Seamless. Can we ensure a seamless website navigation for the consumers? We all should aim for seamless project delivery. Anchor. It means to hold something to its base. It's often used in the terms of a ship which is being anchored to a harbor or anchored to a port. So there's an anchor to something, anchor to a campaign, anchor to a project. And you can often use this word in business communication. The project manager has to anchor the delivery of the project. A team leader has to anchor the delivery of the project. Operational, another one of the most commonly used English words in business communication. We have to sort out the operational issues for the smooth delivery of the campaign. The site manager needs to look into the operational issues before the CEO's arrival. Cross-functional. We have to work in tandem with cross-functional teams and departments for this campaign. We have to collaborate with cross-functional teams across different time zones and geographies for the smooth delivery of this campaign. Deadline. Obviously, it's a very common word and you all must be aware of this term. It can be used in a very subtle way. Also, it has got an urgency attached to it. So try to use the word effectively to your advantage. What is the submission deadline for this project? We all have to ensure that the project or campaign is finished within the deadline. Capability, it means the competence or professional qualification that one has to deliver something, to accomplish a task. So let's use the word capability in business environment. I have no doubt of the capabilities of the CEO of this company. We all have to maximize our capabilities for the timely delivery of this campaign. Capture. Someone has to capture the project's delivery and evaluation. Can you capture the audience feedback on the logbook? Can you come up with a digital form to capture the audience feedback? Can you come up with a digital form to take survey from audience and capture the feedback? Calibrated or synchronized. These two words more or less mean the same, which means that you have to work in a tight coordination in sync with the other colleagues or department. We need to work in a calibrated and synchronized manner, or you just use any one of these words instead of using both the words. We need to work in a calibrated manner with the logistics department for the smooth delivery of this campaign. The client has asked us to work in a calibrated manner for the smooth delivery of the project before the deadline. So there are different ways you can use these key English phrases in a business environment. Try to use these words as much as possible during your official meetings, team meetings in a business communication environment and context. The more you will use these words, the more confident you will be as a speaker, and you will come across as a confident, charming personality in your office. There are more such English speaking videos on my channel. Please go and watch all the videos from the English speaking playlist, which are right there on my channel. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I'd really appreciate if you leave a comment below, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks very much for watching.